Billions of dollars are about to flood into the US economy, and if your local business isn't ready for the 2026 World Cup, you are literally leaving a fortune on the pitch. While others are waiting for the fans to arrive, the smartest 1% of business owners are building their marketing engines right now. Today, we're breaking down the data-backed blueprint to ensure your business isn't just a spectator, but a champion in the biggest financial event of the decade. Welcome back. We specialize in the intersection of finance, data, and the 2026 World Cup. With 16 host cities across North America and millions of international tourists expected, the business-as-usual approach won't cut it. By the end of this video, you will have 5 high ROI strategies that you can start implementing today, even if you're a small shop or a local service provider. We aren't just talking about theory, we're looking at the hard data from past tournaments to see what actually drives revenue. Strategy number 1 is your digital welcome mat. Data from the 2022 World Cup in Qatar showed that 85% of fans relied entirely on mobile search for food, lodging, and essentials. If your business doesn't show up for best coffee near MetLife Stadium or emergency repairs in Kansas City, you don't exist to them. You need to optimize your Google business profile specifically for tournament-related keywords now. This means adding photos of your staff, ensuring your hours are accurate for late-night game days, and even using fan-friendly as a keyword in your description. Strategy number 2 is about removing friction. The 2026 World Cup will bring visitors from over 48 nations. Analysis shows that businesses that offer multilingual menus, signage, or even simple, welcome signs in the languages of the teams playing in their city see a 30% higher conversion rate. You don't need to be fluent, you need to be accessible. We'll look at how QR code menus that auto-translate can be a low-cost, high ROI investment that sets you apart from the competitor next door who is only speaking English. Strategy 3 is the power of the pack. During high-traffic events, official FIFA fan zones are the epicenter of spending. However, the costs to be an official vendor are astronomical. The high ROI play is to form partnerships with other local businesses to create your own unofficial fan hubs. Think about it, a local brewery partnering with a food truck and a nearby souvenir shop to create a game day package. By pooling your marketing budgets, you can dominate local social media and draw the crowds away from the overpriced stadium concessions and into your local ecosystem. Strategy 4 is where many businesses fail: inventory. Using historical data from the 2014 Brazil and 2018 Russia World Cups, we can see that certain items, like portable chargers, weather-appropriate fan gear, and high-protein snacks, sell out within hours of a match. High ROI marketing isn't just about ads, it's about having the right product when everyone else is out of stock. We're going to analyze the typical fan survival kit and how you can market your business as the reliable resource for tourists who forgot their essentials. Finally, strategy 5 is real-time social media. Forget scheduled posts. During the World Cup, everything happens in the moment. You need to use platform-specific geo-tags for the stadiums and fan parks. When a goal is scored, your business should be posting a goal celebration discount code that lasts for only 1 hour. This creates urgency and triggers the fear of missing out among fans who are currently scrolling their phones during halftime or on the way back from the game. Which of these 5 strategies are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be responding to as many as I can to help you refine your plan. If you found this data-driven breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Cup Cashflow. Our next video is going to dive deep into the specific host city economics for New York and New Jersey, so you don't want to miss that. The 2026 World Cup is a once-in-a-generation opportunity for US business owners. Don't just watch the game, win the game. I'm your host from the Cup Cashflow, and I'll see you in the next analysis.